Alright, so I just took the this thingy out of the bag. I was planning to record that bit, but it failed, as it does. Oh, okay, this has a little cap, but the cap came loose right away, and looks like it has a very large opening, so that won't be too fun. Large openings. Unscrew, screw. It's all part of life. It's all a bit screwy. Okay, anyway, let's get that out of the way. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, I did not like that happened. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to make sure that this aligns.
Likey.